Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends Archangel. Shout out to Phil Bars sa Collector's Con. Doon ko nabili si Archangel for only 998 pesos only. Ang SRP niya around 2,450 plus plus. So yan, gamit tayo ng alligator clips para pag nag-spray tayo, hindi ma-sprayin yung kamay natin ng paint. Ang gagamitin nating primer ay Bosny number 191 flat clear. 2 to 3 thin coats yung application na gagamitin natin dito. Yan, ito pa yung iba pa niyang accessories, yung heads, and actually dami pala niyang heads, no? Tatlo yung alt heads niya. All in all, apat yung yung total heads. Okay, after spray painting, matte na yung finish and we are going to use dark blue and navy blue para naman sa darks. Yan, ito yung brush na ginagamit ko. Medyo siya, medyo malaki siya para larger round brush para malawak agad yung area na malalagyan natin ng paint. Tapos yung motion ng brush ko dito, fini-flick ko yung brush para makita yung brush stroke. Okay. Next naman, like first layer of highlights to. So ganun pa rin, press and flick, press and flick. And then next color, mag-add lang tayo ng white para magkaroon ng extra layer of highlights. And then for the hair, dry brushing gagamitin nating technique. I used a smaller flat brush. So yung paint na ginamit natin dito, flesh and skin tone and yellow. Yan. Tapos gagamitin naman natin yung Fairy Rich Gold para dun sa kanyang alternate na gold na face. Extra additional layer of highlights din yan. Okay, next step, we are going to use black na paint. Magdadab lang tayo using a sponge dun sa wings para magkaroon ng layer of weathering. And then next step, yung line art na. Dito naman sa line art process naman natin, pwede muna tayo mag-practice sa papel kung paano tayo mag-drawing sa 2D. You can also use transition lines, cross-hatching. Yan. Ang guide ko rito yung pinaka-deepest parts ng mold. Yun yung ginagawa natin ng line art. Yan. And there you have it. Tapos na yung ating Marvel Archangel na custom repaint. Nag-spray na rin ako dito ng Bosny Flat Clear ulit para ma-seal yung paint job na ginawa natin. Wala namang nabago sa articulation, ganun pa rin. You can move the wings, you can move the arms, the heads. And binalik ko na rin siya sa box. Yung box meron na rin siyang signature. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.